Hello. All right. So here is my Trust the Process dessert. So if you was on my live, you saw how I got it looking like this. And I'm going to go ahead and give it a try. Sam over here raising his hands because he done already tried it. It's really good. It's light. So I'm just going to give you a brief description. I use my French toast batter that I had left over and my pancake mix. Check out that video and you can see what else I put in there. You see you got the chocolate chips in there. You'll see it. But really good. Turned out great. Like I said, it's called Trust the Process Dessert. See you soon.